So, good afternoon, everyone. Okay.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Okay, good afternoon. So, please open your book, page 207. Okay, so page 207. So, we have there is solving word problems involving division. So, we have our topic for today is solving problem. Okay, so everybody's ready now? Okay, that is yellow book, page 207. Okay, everybody's ready? So again, our topic for today is solving word problems involving division. So the operation that we will use in solving a problem is division, or we will use divide. Okay, to divide. So this is the operation that we will use here. So we have here solving a word problem. It means there are a sentence and we have to understand what is that. So before we proceed, we will have first to discuss what is the steps. Okay, so we have the steps. Okay, so this is steps. So this is with S, steps in solving problem. So there are 4 steps in solving a word problem. So the first step here, okay, so the first step in solving a problem is, who can guess? What is the first step? Okay. Okay, the first step is we understand. So before that, it should be we understand the problem sentence. Okay, the problem sentence. First, we understand. So in we understand, we have questions, right? In the problem sentence, there is a question or there are questions. And we have also the given information. So in a problem, word problem sentence, we have the questions and we have the given information. So before that, it should be we know where is the question. Okay, we should be understand what is the questions in the problem sentence and also what is the given information. So in given information, we can see there the given number sentence. Okay, so that is the first step. Okay, the first step we understand, and we understand again we have questions and given information. The step 2, we have we planned. So in we planned, we have to make a bar model. Okay, bar model from the, because we already understand the sentence, so we will make a bar model. So you know bar model? Bar model is like this. Okay, so for example, so this is a bar model. So this is called bar model here. There is a questions, okay, with question mark, or we have a given number sentence here. So this is called bar model. So this is the example of bar model. Okay, that is the step 2. Again, the step 1 is, okay, wait for a while. Okay, in step 1 again, we understand. The next one is we plan. The step 3 is we solve. Okay, so in we solve, so we have to solve already. So in we solve, there is a number sentence. Okay, number sentence from the given information. So in given information, we can see the number sentence there. And after that one, we write the number sentence. For example, number sentence is 20 divided by 4. Okay, so that is the example. That is number sentence. So that is the example of number sentence. And also, we have to, in we solve, we also answer the question. It means answer the question. It means 20 divided by 4 is equals to, what is it? Is equals to 5. So that is the answer the questions. So we have to answer the number sentence there, here. So it means 20 divided by 4 is equals to 5. So that is answer the question. So that is the meaning answer the questions. We have to answer what is that. Okay. And step 4, we have we check. So it means in we check, we have to check the answer or check the answer. So it means we have to double check. Check meaning is we have to make it sure that our answer is correct. Okay. So if we check if the answer is wrong, it means our answer here in we solve that is not correct. So that is the very important here. Step 4 or we check is very important in problem solving. Not only in a problem solving, it also in other operation or other problems. Okay. So again, we have we understand. So in we understand, we have questions, the given information. And step 2, we have we plan. So it means we plan, we will make a bar model like this. And step 3, we solve. So it means there is a given sentence. So it means this is the example. 20 divided by 4 is equals to question mark or square. And we solve, we also answer the question. It means we will answer the given sentence here. So it means 20 divided by 4 is equals to 5. And we check, it means we check the answer. Okay, so we have to check the answer. For example, in we check, so we will see if the answer is 5. Okay, we will check. So it means 5 times 4 is equals to 20. So that is the example of we check. Okay, so the quotient, this is the quotient, right? The divisor and the dividend. Okay, dividend, divisor, and quotient. So don't forget that once. Okay, so let's proceed here. So in your book, that is page 207, it said Lily collects 135 stamps. Okay, she keeps them equally in her 3 stamp album. Okay, so Lily collects 135 stamps and she keeps them equally in her 3 stamp album. So Lily have 3 albums. And the question here is how many stamps does each stamp album have? So this is the example of stamp. Okay, so this is the stamp. Okay, so Lily collects of 135 stamp. Okay, so this is the example of stamp, or this is the picture, or this is a picture of a stamp. And Lily have 3 albums. So it means we have, for example, I will draw, we have, okay, so here we have 3 albums. So this is 3 albums where Lily put the stamps. Okay, so album, it's like the one that you will put a picture. Okay, so that is the example, albums. So we have 3 albums here. So now let's follow the steps, right? We have 4 steps. So again, what is the first step that we will do? What is the first step? Who can guess what is the first step? Step 1 is to understand. So the step 1 is we understand. So in we understand, what is in we understand? We have the question. So what is the question in the sentence? What is the question here in the sentence? What is the question? Who can tell? Who can answer? What is the questions? Okay, the question is, how many stamps does each stamp album have? Okay, so that is the questions. Okay, how many stamps does each stamp album have? So that is the question. Why is question? Because we have the word, we have here the symbol of question mark. So it's easy for you to recognize. If we ask what is the question, so it means you will look for the question mark because that is the question in the problem sentence. Okay. So again, so we understand. So we have already the questions. We know the questions. Now, in we understand, we have also a given information. So what is the given information in the sentence? What is the given information? So, what is it? Okay. What is the given information? Who can tell?
นักเรียนงงขออนุญาตทีเชอร์นักเรียนงงไหมคะ
ไม่บอกครู
ฮัลโหลนักเรียนไม่มีเสียงตอบเลย เข้าใจที่ทีเชอร์พูดไหมคะ
ไม่ค่อยเข้าใจ
ไม่ค่อยเข้าใจโจทย์เดี๋ยวขออนุญาตทีเชอร์นะคะโจทย์บอกว่าลิลลี่เนี่ยมีสแตมป์135ดวงเดี๋ยวครูแปลเป็นภาษาไทยให้ฟังนะแล้วเนี่ยเขาเนี่ยเก็บสแตมป์ไว้เท่าๆกันเนี่ย3อัลบั้มโจทย์ถามว่าอัลบั้มแต่ละอัลบั้มเนี่ยจะมีสแตมป์ทั้งหมดกี่ดวง question ก็คือโจทย์ถามอะไรก็คือโจทย์ถามนักเรียนเห็นไหมคะที่ทีเชอร์เขียนเนี่ยให้ฟังตรงนี้ขีดให้อันนี้คือโจทย์ถามต่อมา give information ก็คือโจทย์บอกอะไรมาโจทย์บอกอะไรตอบครูได้ยังคะ
โจทย์บอกว่า Larry เก็บสแตมป์ได้135สแตมป์แล้วก็แบ่งเป็น3
เรียนอ่านภาษาอังกฤษให้ทีเชอร์ฟังด้วยลูกอ่านออกไหมลิลลี่คอลเลจอะไร100อะไรลูกไว้สแตมป์ใช่ไหม she keep them equally in her 3 stamp album เข้าใจไหมคะโอเคค่ะทีเชอร์
Okay, teacher. Thank you, teacher. Okay, so the given information here in the sentence is Lily collects 135 stamps and she keep them equally in her 3 stamp album. So this is the given information. So look at here. So this is the given information in the problem sentence. Okay, so don't forget that one. So the given information again is Lily collects 135 stamps and she keep them equally in her 3 stamps album. Okay, she keeps. Okay, so that is the first step or step 1. So the step 2 is, who can remember what is the step 2? Can you, in your book, what is there? Step 2 is, we planned. Okay, so that is we plan. So in we plan, what we will do? We will make a bar model. Okay. So in the problem, so we have here bar model. So we have here, it said, Lily collects 135 stamps. So this is the album. Okay. Stamp album 1, stamp album 2, and stamp album 3. Because it said here, 3 stamp album. Okay. So we have 3 stamp album and Lily collects 135 stamps. Now, the question it said, how many? Okay. Or how many stamp album will be in each stamp? Okay, I mean in album. So, how many stamp will be in the album, stamp album? So, how many is it? So, that is the questions. So, now, so that we already make a bar model. So, step 3, we have to resolve. Okay, so what is the number sentence there? What is the number sentence? What will be the number sentence? Who can tell me what will be the number sentence?
ส่งประโยคสัญลักษณ์เขียนได้ว่าเท่าไหร่คะนักเรียน
135 dividend 3.
Okay, so 135 divided 3. Okay, 135 divided by 3 is equals to, okay, square or question mark. Okay, so that is a number sentence. Okay, now we have to answer the question. So 135 divided by 3 is equals to, what is the answer? So we have to use this one. So 135 divided by 3 is equals to, what is the answer? So 13 divided by 3. You remember the steps in division? What is the first step in in
คุณนุ่นค่ะอันนี้ให้ทำยังคะ
อะไรนะคะ
อันนี้ให้ทำยังคะ
ยังทีเชอร์อธิบายให้ฟัง โอเคค่ะทีเชอร์
Okay, sure. So
ค่ะ
we have to divide the 135 divided by 3. So what is the first step in division? And we solve the division. You remember? First step is to divide. So it means 13 divided by 3 is equals to 4. Okay. So the step 2. What is the step 2? We have to multiply. So multiply 4 times 3. So what is 4 times 3? 4 times 3 is equals to? Okay, 12. Okay. So now, in step 3, in solving the division, right, is to subtract. So it means 13 minus 12 is equals to?
1.
Okay, very good. 1. And now, the step 4 is to bring down the What we will bring down?
Bring down 5.
Very good. Bring down 5. So now, again, we go back to the step 1. So step 1 is divide. So it means 15 divided by 3 is equals to? 5. Okay, very good. 5. So 5. So step 2 again. 5 times 3 is equals to?
15ต่อที่เท่าไหร่
50.
15. Okay. So the step 3, the last one is?
0.
Okay, very good because we
Zero.
minus. Okay, so 15 minus 15 is equals to 0. So it means if we divide 135 divided by 3 is equals to 45.
45.
So it means that each stamp album has 45 stamps. Okay, so like this, so that you will. Okay, so we have 3 stamps, right? So each stamp we have 45. Now each album we have 45 stamps. So that is the mean. So we now can answer. That is 45 stamps in each album. So now, the fourth step is we have to check. Okay, we have to check what is the answer. If we have to check if the answer is correct. So when we check is this one. Quotient times divisor. So our quotient is 45, right? And times by 3. Because divisor is this one, and that will be equals to dividend. So our dividend is 135. So that is how you will check. Okay? So don't forget the fourth step. Okay, what is first step? Step 1 in solving a problem. What is it again? Who can remember? First step is we understand. Very good. So we understand, we have to have a question and given information. So what is the step 2? Step 2 is we planned. Okay, so in we planned, we have to make a bar model. Step 3. So what is the step 3? Step 3 is we solve. Okay, so we solve, and we solve, we have to number sentence and answer the questions. And what is the last step? The step 4. What is the step 4?
We check.
Very good. So we check. So that is the step 4. Okay, so don't forget that one because we will use this one later. Okay. So now let's proceed to your book, that is page 208. Okay, open your book in page 208 so that you can follow. Okay, 208, that is number 2. So in number 2 it said Mrs. Lee bought 50 meter of cloth. Okay, so 50 meter of cloth to make dresses, and she used 3 meter of cloth to make each dress. So the question here is how many such dresses could she make? So the cloth is, for example, this one. So the teacher Mary that wear, or the one that you wear, that is the example of cloth. Okay, so Mrs. Lee want to make a, how many such dresses could she make if Mrs. Lee bought 50 meter of cloth? So like this. So I will show you. Okay, so this is the example cloth. Okay, so Mrs. Lee bought 50 meter long. Okay, so that is to make a dress. Okay, like the one that you wear today. That is dress. And she used only 3 meter of cloth. Okay, so that is she used only 3 meter. So the question here is, how many such dresses could she make if she has 50 meter of cloth? Okay, in one cloth, she can use 3 meter. But there is 50 meter. So how many dress that she will make? Okay, using this 50 meter of cloth. So that is our problem sentence. Okay, so in here, we have to make a, what is a number sentence? What is the number sentence? Who can tell me? Because we already know that the operation that we will use here is, what operation that we will use here? Is it minus? Is it plus? Is it divide? Or is it times? What operation that we will use here?
โจทย์ข้อนี้บวกลบคูณหารค่ะนักเรียน
divide ครับ divide
Okay, so divide. So what is our number sentence?
ขออนุญาตทีเชอร์นักเรียนเข้าใจโจทย์ไหมคะ เดี๋ยวครูแปลให้ฟัง
เข้าใจครับ
เข้าใจ โอเคค่ะทีเชอร์
Okay, so our number sentence is 50 divided by what? What we will divide?
divided by 3
Okay, very good. Divided by 3 is equals to, okay, box or question mark. So that is our number sentence. Now we will solve this one. So 50 divided by 3. What will be the answer?
ได้คำตอบเท่าไหร่คะ
So 50 divided by 3 is equals to?
15 remainder 2 remainder 2
Okay, very good. That is 16 remainder 2. Okay, so it means Mrs. Lee made a 16 dresses. Okay, she could make 16 dresses. Okay, from 50 meter of cloth. Okay, so remember the operation that we will use here in this problem is always division. Okay, always division. Okay, so this is the operation that we will use. Okay, next. Next one is a van can carry up to 8 people. Okay, van. What is the smallest number of vans needed to carry a 97 people? Okay, it said it's a van. Okay, the van can carry up to 8 people. And what is the smallest number of vans needed to carry if the people will be 97? Okay, so what is the number sentence is there? What is our number sentence? Number sentence, it means what is the number, the given number here. So our given number here is 8 and 97. So how we will write this one in number sentence? Number sentence first. Number sentence is 90.
97.
Okay, 97. Yes, divided by 8. Very good. Divided by 8 is equals to, okay, so question mark. So what will be the answer if we divide 97 divided by 8? So the answer is, the one that someone told is 12. Yes, very good. 12, only 12? Is it only 12? Is that correct? Okay, very good. 12 remainder 1. So there are 12 people and another 1 people that can carry from van. So it means the smallest number of vans needed to carry and 97 people is 13. Because we are talking about people, so it means we can 12 plus 1. Okay? So that is why 13 people. Okay? So next, another example. So we have here, number 4, Nathan make 9 boxes. Okay, 9 boxes of cookies. Okay, so this is the cookies. Look at the pictures. So this is the cookies. And he packed the cookies equally in 5 packets of 5 in each box. And it said he sold all the cookies for 1,125 baht. So the question here is how much did each packet of cookies cost? Okay, so this one is box, okay? It said Nathan made have 9 boxes. So this is boxes. So there is 9 boxes of cookies, okay? And it said here, he packed the cookies equally in packets, okay? So this is the packets, okay? So this is the packets. Okay, this is a packets. It said that there are 5 packets. 5 packets inside the box. Okay, so don't be confused. This is the packet. So it means inside the box, there are 5 packets. Okay, the packet is like this. Okay, so how many boxes Nathan have again? How many boxes Nathan have? How many boxes of How many boxes? How many boxes? Like this. This is a box. Boxes. How many Nathan have? How many boxes?
นักเรียนเข้าใจไหมคะโจทย์ข้อนี้งงนักเรียนฟังนะนาธาเนี่ยนาธามีคุกกี้9 กล่องในแต่ละกล่องมี5 ซองแล้วเขาขายไปในราคาเป็นเงิน 1,125 บาทถามว่าเขาขายไปในราคาเนี่ยซองเท่าไหร่นักเรียนก็ต้องรู้ก่อนว่ามันมีทั้งหมดกี่ซองถูกไหมคะก็ต้องเอาจำนวนกล่องคูณกับจำนวนสินค้าที่อยู่ในซองก่อนแล้วก็จะได้รู้ว่าราคาเท่าไหร่ในแต่ละซองเข้าใจหรือยังคะ
เข้าใจแล้วครับคุณครูครับอันนี้ให้จดยังครับ
ค่ะโอเคค่ะทีเชอร์
ครูให้จดแล้วครับ
Okay, so that Okay, you have question? Okay, so Nathan have 9 boxes of cookie. So inside the boxes, we have 5 packets. So this is packets and this is box. Okay, box. Okay, boxes. There are 9 boxes. So I will write here so that it will. Okay, so we have 9 boxes and we have 5 packets. Okay, so this is the image or pictures of packets. So now we have to answer. So here, so what will be the first one? First, we will look first the amount of 1 boxes. What is that amount? So first we will, so that you can understand here. So in your book, we have bar model, right? Okay, so bar model. So how many boxes Nathan have? How many boxes?
9.
Okay, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So never mind the picture, okay? Okay, so it means in 9 boxes, Nathan sold, okay? He sold 1,125 baht. But we don't know how much each boxes. So this is box, right? 1, box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4, 5, box 6, 7, 8, and box 9. So we just only know that it's 9 boxes only sold 1,125. But we don't know how much is 1 box. So first, that is the one that we will looking for. How much is the 1 box? Okay. Okay, so first, that is the one that we will look for. So it means we will have to divide the 1,125 divided by how many boxes again? Okay, 9. Very good. So that is 9. So 1,125 divided by 9 is equals to
125.
Okay, very good. Don't be shy. That is 125. Okay, so 125. It means that each box of cookies costs 125. So it means this 1 box is cost 125. Box 2, 125. Box 3, 125. Box 4 is 125. But 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, the same. They have each box of cookies is cost 125. So now we already know that each box is 125. The question here is, how much did each packet of cookies cost? Okay, packets, right? This is packets. This is the packets that we are looking for. Packets. It said how much did each packet of cookies cost? Okay? So how much is one cookie, one packet? That is the questions. So we already know that the boxes cost 125. Okay. So now next, we will answer the question here. How much did each packet of cookies cost? Okay, again, packets of cookies cost. So first, what we will do, so here again, we will make a bar model here. So how many packets we have? How many packets of Nathan have? How many? How many packets we have? Okay.
5.
5. Very good. So we have 5 packets. It means 1, 2, 3, and 5. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is the packets. Now, we know already, right, that each boxes cost 125. Okay, 125. But now, we will answer how many or how much did each packet of cookies cost. So what will be our number sentence here?
อย่าถู
So
อย่าถู
how many packets? This is packet 1, packet 2, packet 3, and 5. So how much is it? So that is our question. So what is our number sentence? Okay, look at here in the bar model. So what will be our number sentence here? So we have 125 baht and we have 5 packets. So what will be our number sentence from this bar model? Who can tell? Is 125, okay, divided by
5
5. Okay, so 125 divided by 5 is equals to, what is the answer?
25.
Okay, 25. So it means each packet of cookies costs 25 baht. Okay, so this is packets. So that means one each of these is cost 25. Okay, this is packets. Each packet is cost 25 baht. Okay, so did you understand here? Okay, we will proceed to our activity. Okay, so let's have do the activity. So that is page 209. So it said here, Janice packed 6 muffins. So this is the muffins. And each box. So Janice packed 6 muffins into each box set. So this is muffins. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so this is 6 muffins into each boxes. The question here is, what is the smallest boxes she will need to pack all the muffins? So how many boxes will be? So what is our number sentence here? So look at here, we have, okay, I think, oh wait a minute. So in your book, it said have 82, right? There are 82 muffins. So what will be our number sentence?
เรียนได้ประโยคสัญลักษณ์ว่ายังไงคะ
Okay, so we have there are 82 muffins and Janice packed 6 muffins into each boxes.
dividend
Divide. So it means, what is here? What is here? So the answer have remainder. So it means you will just add 1. So what will be the answer?
งงไหมงงโจทย์ไหมคะ เข้าใจโจทย์ไหม เข้าใจหรือไม่เข้าใจคะ
เข้าใจครับ
เข้าใจงั้นตอบทีเชอร์ได้ไหมคะว่าจะเขียนประโยคสัญลักษณ์แล้วจะได้คำตอบเท่าไหร่คะ
82 divided by 6
Okay, very good. Okay, so it means 82 because our given number here is 82 muffins and we have divided by 6. So what is the answer? The answer is 13. Is it 13 only?
13.
13
Is it correct? Only 13?
4
Okay, so it means 13 remainder 4. Okay, very good. So it means the smallest, if you have encountered this sentence, smallest number of boxes, she will need to pack all the muffin is 13. So you just add 1. Okay, so there will be 14 muffins. Okay, there will be 14 muffins. Okay, who got correct here? Okay, so check your answer. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 4 points. Okay, so now let's proceed to page 210. So here it said, in letter A, it said Mrs. Krishnan has 70 eggs. Okay, 70 eggs. And she need 4 eggs to bake each cake. So what is the greatest number? Greatest number that it will be big number. Okay, greatest, it means big number. Okay, greatest. So greatest number of cake she can bake. So what will be our answer? Okay, what will be our number sentence? Again, Mrs. Krishnan has 70 eggs. So this is the given number here. And 4 eggs.
divided by 4
Okay, very good. So 70 divided by 4 So 70 divided by 4 is equals to? Finish answer?
17 remainder 2.
Okay, very good. 17 remainder 2. So it means it said they are asking what is the greatest number. So the greatest number of cake she can bake is 17. Okay, 17. So if check your answer, so check, and check. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in number 1, letter A, we have 5/5. Okay, so let's proceed to letter B. So in letter B,
คุณครูครับหนูตรวจไม่ทันข้อ 1 ครับ หนูตรวจไม่ทันข้อ A ครับ
อันวันเดี๋ยวย้อนดูในคลิปนะลูกเพราะว่าทีเชอร์เขาทีเชอร์ย้อนให้แล้ว
วันนี้ให้ทำหน้าที่เท่าไหร่นะครับ ลืม หนูของหนูมันพัดอะหนูลืมทิ้งดินสอไว้
นี่ไงหน้าเห็นไหมพาร์ทตรงเนี้ย
ไม่ครับ หน้าที่เท่าไหร่ครับ
210 ค่ะ ตะวันเสร็จยังคะ
เสร็จแล้วครับ
โอเคค่ะทีเชอร์
thank you, teacher. Okay, next, letter B. So it said here is Scarlet.
เมื่อกี้ข้อเมื่อกี้ยังไม่เสร็จครับครู
เดี๋ยวนักเรียนย้อนดูในคลิปนะคะ เดี๋ยวไม่ทันค่ะลูกเดี๋ยวส่งคลิปให้ค่ะ โอเคค่ะทีเชอร์
Okay. Okay, so in letter B, it said Scarlett has 8,000 baht. Okay, so she has 8,500 baht. And it said if she divides the money equally into 4 parts, so how much money are there in each part? So the given here is 8,500 baht and 4 parts. So it means that here is 8,500 divided by 4. So what will be the answer? If you divide 8,500 divided by 4.
2,125.
Very good. So the answer, if we divide 8,500 divided by 4, the answer is 2,125. So it means there are 2,125 baht in each part. Okay, so that is the answer. So kindly check your answer. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have again 5 points. Okay, who got perfect score here? Okay, so let's proceed to Finish check. Okay, already finished? Okay, so let's proceed here. So Seti, letter C, Seti wants to buy a computer. So a computer costs 9,990 baht. And it says she planned to save an equal amount of money each month for 3 months. Okay, so 3 months to buy the computer. So the question here is, how much money does she need to save each month? Okay. So again, Seti wants to buy a computer which costs 9,990 baht, and she plans to save an equal amount of money. So same, okay? Same. That is meaning equal, that is same amount of money each month. And for 3 months to buy a computer. So how much does she need to save each month? Okay, each month it means equally. How much money did she save in each month? So again, the given number here is 9,990 baht, and we have here 3 months. So it means 9,990 divided by 3. So what is the answer? If you divide 9,990.
Three thousand and
3,330.
Okay, very good. So the answer is 3,330. So it means she need to save 3,330 baht each month. Okay, so kindly check your answer. Okay, 1 point, 1 point, 1 point. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5. So finish?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
No finish. No finish. รอแป๊บนึงครับ
Okay.
Finish.
Okay. So because it's already time, so your homework is only this one page 212. This is your homework. So it means the same with page 207. Okay, so steps. Okay, so this is the steps of solving a word problem. So again, your homework only page 212. So they are the same with page 207. Okay? Okay, did you understand? Okay. Okay, so thank you everyone for listening. Thank you so much, teacher.
thank you teacher
Okay, bye.
bye